Why is the Abbey Theatre central to Irish culture? Imagine walking into a place where Irish stories, history, and voices have been coming alive for over 100 years. That's what makes the Abbey Theatre so special. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of Ireland's cultural heart. Founded in Dublin in 1904 by William Butler Yeats and Lady Augusta Gregory, it was created to give Irish playwrights a stage to share their stories. Back then, Ireland was still under British rule, so the theatre became a way to express Irish identity through art. It played a big role in the Celtic Revival, a movement focused on celebrating Irish language, traditions, and heritage. The theatre's early productions included works by famous Irish writers like John Millington Synge, whose play The Plebeian of the Western World caused a huge stir. People debated it because it challenged social norms and made Irish audiences think about their own identity. The Abbey was also the first theatre in the English-speaking world to get government funding in 1925. This support helped it grow and nurture many Irish actors and writers. Today, visiting the Abbey Theatre lets travelers see a piece of Ireland's cultural story. It's more than just a place to watch plays. It's a symbol of Ireland's fight for artistic independence. Its location in central Dublin makes it easy for visitors to explore Irish arts and culture firsthand. The theatre continues to produce contemporary Irish plays, keeping Irish stories alive and relevant. It's a place where Ireland's past and present meet through theatre. The Abbey Theatre's importance lies in how it has helped shape Irish culture and continues to do so. It stands as a living reminder of Ireland's artistic spirit and the power of storytelling. For anyone visiting Ireland, a trip to the Abbey Theatre offers a chance to connect with the country's creative soul and see how Irish stories are still being told today.